pretty
dope.
Man, listen, yo. We're here. My one message to y'all, I love y'all forever. Even though I'm leaving a year early, I really love this place to death. And everybody that's here that I mess with, y'all know y'all will forever be in my hearts. Shout out to all my besties at school. I don't think you want to, meet bums. But you got Trigger Trey over there, that's what they call him. He got no tray balls in him. That's Trigger Trey, I guess. He can't shoot. Ain't from my way, that's crazy. So is this. He can't shoot. He can't shoot, and he really from my way. Like, this is a real shooter right here. Now, I respect my son Alex, I'm not gonna lie. You know what I mean? 2022, he gets buckets. He's been getting buckets on 15s. This year, he gonna play 16 and get buckets, you feel me?
Yeah, like
second half, yeah.
We'll come back.
But yo, we can't, y'all can't be having a zone defense.
We're playing basketball, right?
So we're gonna play 2-3.
Oh no. We're gonna play man.
Man, we started killing them, so they wanna play 2-3. But I mean, it's fine, It ain't no more matchups, it's just 2-3.
Terrence, man, pulled up on us after our invitational, man. It was a great time, man. What was your experience like in the first annual?
It was lit, man. Playing against everybody from Boston, everybody I know from the Park Center right in the hood. In front of everybody, it was a lit game.
Yeah.
Crazy atmosphere.
I appreciate that, man. You got a lot of these kids looking up to you. Like, you was their age. They don't sometimes understand that. You mean, like, you was looking up to other players. So being in a different position now that you're the person they're looking up to, how does it feel for you?
I just want to be an influence to everybody in the city. You know what I mean? Like, I play basketball for the young kids. Everybody else, that's looking up after me. So, I just want to go out there and put it on for the city. That's what it is.
And the thing about it is, like, you're so humble about it. You know what I'm saying? And, like, I want to tell you, just keep that. Because a lot of times people hand you things and you see that, but just keep that within you, know who really there for you. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate him for coming through, and we're here to bring the city together, and that's what we did, man. So appreciate you, bro. You already know, man. We're gonna get it, man. After our vibes, let's get it.
Sir, after our invitational, baby.
Oh, he lost it. Oh. Hey!